For our hip hitch, once again, we're once again lying on our side. Shoulders are above one another, hips are above one another. So we're not rolling backwards onto our butt, and likewise we're not rolling forwards here. We want to be nicely stacked, shoulders and hips. You can bring the hand in front for support here like this. Also notice we have the elbow out here in front while the hand is supporting the head. Again, this is purely for balance. You can have it pointing straight up away from yourself, but it will make the balance part of this exercise more challenging. So take your breath in, engage your core muscles. So again, you're preparing to exhale through pursed lips as you lift both legs, ever so slightly, getting them to hover off the mat. Core is engaged that little bit. Small movement. Inhale down, exhale up. Each time we start with the breath, that's the anchor for the movement comes in afterwards. So we've got our inhale here, and then come up slightly, inhaling down. Again, small movement. Hitting muscles just here that attach from the hip into the lumbar spine. To make this more or less challenging, reduce that lower leg down to the ground. Key thing here is that you're not trying to lift this leg higher. The movement is shortening the space between the hip and the ribs. So it's a small movement. If you're bringing the leg up really high, you're going to be using bigger muscles in the hips and the backside to do the work. We're trying to not really use those so much. Small muscle here should be doing as much of the work as possible.